In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your Ledger Nano S Plus. If you haven't used your device in a while or you're just setting it up for the first time, updating the firmware is an important step. All you need to do is open up the Ledger Live software and connect your Nano S Plus to the computer using the USB cable. Okay, so I'm going to start by opening the Ledger Live software. And I'm going to connect my Ledger hardware. Enter the pin. Okay, we're in. So I just have to scroll down to my ledger on the left side in the compact menu. It says allow ledger manager. So I'm gonna press both buttons. And on top it says OS update available. I'm gonna click update firmware. Ensure your 24-word secret recovery phrase is written down. Yes, it is. Install update. %. Okay. Let's see. So I have to press right and then confirm update. It's installing it. Now it just rebooted, so I have to enter my PIN again. Okay, that's done. So when I click finish, we're going to see if there's any other firmware updates left. There should be, actually. It's asking us allow secure connection. Yes. Okay, so there is another firmware. We're going to install it. So click update. Yes, we have the 24 words written down. Install update. Okay, so it's transferring it to the ledger, the firmware. Okay, so now we have to install it. I pressed right again, and then I'm gonna double press to confirm. So it looks like it's probably extracting the software now to be able to install it. Now it's installing it. And it should reboot. Yeah, it's rebooting now. Enter the PIN again. Okay. I'm gonna press on finish. And then check one more time if we do have the latest firmware or not. Now it's asking me to allow a secure connection. I allowed it by pressing both buttons, and it looks like there's still one more update, hopefully. So I'm going to click update firmware. Same question as before, install update. It's going to start transferring the update. And then it will extract it, then install it, and then reboot. We have to enter the PIN and then allow the connection manager. It's always the same steps. Okay, press right, press both buttons. It's extracting. It's installing. And now it's going to reboot. Enter the pin one more time. Okay. Click finish. It's asking us to allow a secure connection with Ledger Live. Double press. And it's not complaining, which means that it's completely up to date and the genuine check mark is there. So we're all good. That's it. Your Ledger Nano S is officially up to date. If the genuine check fails for you, please contact Ledger support. Also, keep in mind that you still need to install the apps and create the accounts before you can receive and store coins. But don't worry about that. I'll cover that in other videos, one for each type of coin. And just as a reminder, never share your seed phrase or PIN with anyone. I shared mine for demonstration purposes only, and I will be resetting my ledger right after this. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment and check out my other videos.